What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sid coming in with another video. So if you're new to the channel, go and subscribe to Coyote 5, hit that like button, share it, and let's jump into this video. So I'm gonna start by saying, hey, for the manual guys, who gives a fuck what they fucking saying about their 10 speeds? We don't give a fuck. Race me at the fucking track and we can handle it. Stop talking about your damn 10 speed. We don't care. 10 speed this, 10 speed that. We know that's the new era. Okay, guys? I've been wrenching on cars long enough to know that, hey, we can't outshift an automatic trans, okay? And we don't want to be in tune with our manuals. We just want to be able to have fun, bang some gears, and, you know, do what we do. Like what we drive, that's it. So, we don't care. And that's that. So, let's go ahead and jump into this. So, I've been owning this car for this 2015 Mustang GT Premium for about 8 years now. Car has about 80K on it. I have done a lot of mods. So, as far as being FBO to the max, I ain't trying to put no cams in. I ain't trying to run no Cobra Jet. I got other plans that I'm gonna do with the car. So right now, what I did was I just focused on suspension and making things better. And by that, making things better for the MT82, I had upgraded the shifter, the clutch, the line, and got rid of the assist spring. And the transmission hasn't had any fluid change. For everybody that's out there saying run this, run that, you know, so far, fingers crossed, have had zero issues. I did have a lot of issues with lockout, high RPM lockout, but that has fixed the issue. So let's jump over to the shifter. So this is the Barton Hybrid 3 shifter. It is push down to get in reverse, no pull up anymore. So over the stock versus the Barton, one thing I noticed is the excessive play that this one doesn't have. When I say in neutral, not much, versus when it's in gear, not much, versus the stock shifter. The stock shifter has a lot of excessive play in reverse. I'm talking about this thing will go all the way over here. When it's in gear, it'll do all the way over here to here. And when you're trying to roll race or at the track, trying to get that perfect shift or quick shift, depending on how quick you are with your foot and how quick you are with hand, this tends to lock you out if you had a stock shifter. Don't have that much with this shifter because it's on point every time. So that being said, I have the stock shifter in the car with me. If you have watched some of my videos, I am a full-time technician. I wrench on all my vehicles. I very rarely will take it to anybody unless I just don't feel like digging with it. But that being said, let's jump over to the stock shifter and show you. And on that note, this is body mounted. Did have it on the trans mount, but with all the components that I have on the car has already have a lot of NVH with the motor mounts and all the suspension upgrades I have in the rear and the one-piece drive shaft. So let's jump over to the shifter to look at me one more time. Hello. So, all right, this is your stock M280 shifter that's on the car. One of my buddies is calling, so let's give him. I'll call him back in 1 second. So this is the pull-up version from the factory. This right here, it just looks like it's a problem, you know, but I'm really glad I upgraded to this. Yes, the Barton is a little expensive, it's almost around 500, but looking at this is, it's ugly, and you can just tell that, you know, from putting it together, it just doesn't look that good. Got freaking spiders and shit, because it's, you know, this been off the car for about, I'm gonna say about 3 years now. So, but running the McLeod RXT twin disc, does have a lot of chatter at low speed, but overall no issues. And that's been on the car for about a good 3 years now. So I tracked my miles through my trip from when I did the break-in stage. So that's that. So if y'all new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, like this video. And I told y'all this wasn't gonna be a long video, but continue to support the channel, and I'll continue to make content and, you know, give y'all some advice where it's needed. You know, not gonna sit here and do a whole bunch of bashing. That's not me. So, but I'm just kind of sick and tired of all this 10-speed talk. You know, we all know, and it is what it is. So we bought what we bought. But I appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for the next video. All right, guys, later.